Hello and welcome. It's always a pleasure to have you here. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Hisense 1 Series WFQP7012EVM, a 7 kilogram 1200 spin washing machine in classic white. This compact but capable appliance is built to take the stress out of daily laundry. So let's dive in and explore what it offers. Starting with the design, the machine comes in at 84.5 centimeters in height, 59.5 centimeters in width, and just 45 centimeters in depth, perfect for tighter spaces without losing capacity. The wide front loading door makes loading and unloading simple, while the stainless steel drum inside holds up to 7 kg of clothing, ideal for smaller households or couples. At its heart is a digital inverter motor delivering reliable power with less vibration and smoother performance. Now, what makes the model especially useful is its range of programs. There are 15 in total, carefully designed for different fabric types and laundry needs. Everyday cycles like cotton, synthetics, and mix take care of your standard loads, while wool and delicates provide a gentler touch that more fragile fabrics need. If you're in a hurry, the Quick Wash 15 program refreshes lightly soiled clothes in just a quarter of an hour, ideal when you need an outfit ready fast. For more intensive care, the anti-allergy program and baby care cycle both give deeper cleans at higher temperatures, targeting everyday dirt with extra thoroughness. There's also a dedicated super black program to help keep darker garments looking their best, and a down cycle for duvet and padded items. Efficiency is built in with Eco 20 degrees Celsius for lighter washes and the Eco 40-60 degrees Celsius program, which balances energy and water use while still ensuring a consistent clean. You'll find spin and rinse and spin as standalone options, giving you more flexibility when you just need to freshen up or remove excess water. The WFQP7012EVM also comes with a steam function, which adds an extra dimension to your wash. Steam penetrates the fabric fibers, helping to loosen dirt, refresh garments, and reduce creases, making ironing easier afterwards. And when it comes to keeping the machine itself in good condition, the drum clean cycle runs hot water and fast spins to flush out residue and maintain freshness. On the control side, you've got a simple rotary dial, easy to use buttons, and a clear LED display to keep track of cycles and time remaining. Extra functions like delay start let you plan your wash around your schedule, while the favorite function allows you to save your most used settings for one-touch access. There's also a half-load option, child lock for safety, and built-in load balancing and foam control to keep every cycle running smoothly. In terms of performance, this washing machine achieves a C energy rating using about 42 liters of water per standard cycle and spins clothes at up to 200 revolutions per minute, with a spin drying efficiency rated at B. Washing noise is around 60 decibels, while spinning peaks at about 74, which is in line with typical home laundry use. Altogether, the Hisense 1 Series WFQP7012EVM is a compact but versatile washing machine, offering a strong set of programs and practical functions that cover everyday laundry. Due to more specialized needs, it is a great fit for smaller households, students, or anyone looking for a straightforward, reliable appliance with the bonus of steam care. This product deserves your attention. Thank you.